It begins where nature, animals, and coffee plants intersect.
Only the ripest cherries are chosen by instinct.
Inside the body, fermentation quietly reshapes the bean.
What remains becomes the rarest raw material.
Handled carefully, the process stays controlled. Selection begins before the factory ever sees them. Each batch is tracked from the start. Quality control begins at origin. The journey moves beyond the farm.
Nature hands over to industry.
Now the factory takes control.
Welcome to the facility. Please pull forward to Bay 2.
The raw process officially begins.
The first step removes everything except the bean.
Water and motion do the heavy work.
Separation is precise and controlled.
Cleanliness is taken further.
Human eyes confirm machine work.
Only the heaviest beans continue. Moisture is reduced, not rushed.
The pace slows for drying.
Conditions are carefully staged.
Preparation meets patience. Numbers guide the process. Now the real transformation begins. Heat is where flavor is unlocked.
Precision replaces instinct.
Time and temperature take control.
Every second is measured.
Aroma signals the change. The roast is locked in.
Cooling preserves the profile.
Heat stops on command.
Consistency is confirmed.
The process flows forward. Safety is built in. The bean becomes coffee.
Texture defines extraction.
Uniformity is engineered.
Nothing is wasted.
Time allows gases to escape.
Pressure finds balance.
Flavor is harmonized.
Standards are upheld.
The product takes shape.
Clean zones protect quality.
Accuracy matters here.
Traceability stays intact. Packaging is moments away. Packaging begins with precision. Every gram is controlled. Air is removed. Freshness stays.
Density is stabilized.
Freshness is locked in.
Nothing passes unchecked.
Cooling stabilizes the seal.
Quality decides the path.
Flow is balanced.
Identity is applied.
Brand meets product. Every pack tells its story. Individual packs become units.
Automation sets the rhythm.
Order replaces motion. Accuracy scales up. The box is closed.
Logistics begin here.
Every box is traceable.
Scale takes shape.
Built for movement. Stability is ensured.
The batch is sealed.
Finished goods move forward.
Storage protects value.
Height maximizes space.
Position is precise.
Inventory stays live.
Conditions are managed.
Freshness rests in balance.
Order controls movement.
Demand sets direction. Movement resumes. Storage releases supply. The next journey begins. Youngplan. Distribution takes the lead. Timing meets precision.
A seamless path is formed.
Goods cross the threshold.
Stability comes first. Movement is controlled.
Responsibility is confirmed.
The cargo is sealed.
Records travel with the load. Logistics roll forward. From factory to market.
The destination draws closer.
Retail takes possession.
Supply enters the network.
Each store is planned. Retail scale adjusts.
Protected for shelves.
Last mile logistics. The store receives.
Behind the scenes.
Presentation matters.
Curiosity meets rarity.
The journey nears its end. The final scan awaits. Verification is instant.
Did you find everything all right today? Packaging meets the consumer.
The product leaves the shelf.
Transformation begins anew.
Aroma fills the air.
The rarity is realized.
Luxury arrives in every cup.
From farm to table.
The journey is complete.
And this is how modern factories produce civet cat poop coffee from start to finish.